You're recording that.
No, I wasn't recording that. But wait a minute. See, I can't.
He's big, so.
And
he give me the back.
No, you quit now.
Man, you gonna take it off or you leaving it on there?
Leave it on there.
I'm not leaving it on there.
It'll bring you good luck the next go around. You just caught it. The first fish is always the luckiest one. Friggin' murder.
You gonna help get the poles in? Or is you
I bring the damn poles down here.
and hold your phone on Facebook? Huh?
No, I'm getting that video. Hey.
I caught an eel.
Look out, boy, you caught an eel.
Baby eel.
Yeah, if it don't look like it.
You wanna keep him?
Yeah, we'll keep them. Well, you keep right on up. You'll have some monster mass for a gumball, shrimp ball, and all that tonight. All the bait fish you catching, especially them king worms. Let's see what you caught on that one. What you got? That sure is, boy. How you catch them? How you getting caught in the side like that?
I don't know. I think it's in a wrist action.
I'm talking about, hold up. I can't let my thumbnail get in the picture because my thumbnails looks bigger than the fish. I got to make it look big, babe. Wait a minute. I got to bring it closer to the camera. Yeah, there you go. See what she caught the day on Harry's fishing camp. That's a big thing. That thing probably go at least 5.5 pounds. And we went out here in no time, was we right when we caught that.
Come on, let's go. I know you feel calm.
Well, mine is too. But then let's get all this bait together and all these fish together. Bundles of fish. There's another one. You didn't show me that. Show me that. Oh, have mercy. We can't leave. You gonna be a sportsman and throw that in back?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he did. All right.